What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I want you to make sure that you stay tuned until the very end for the final reveal. Now, if you haven't already watched part one of this video, which is me on a wash day installing these braids for my fluffy braid out, then you can find that video on my page as well. I have had these perm rollers in overnight. And as I said in my previous video, I like to use these just to seal the end, define my curls. I have a little bit of color damage on the end, so some inconsistency in my curl pattern there. So I just like to finish off my braids with those, leave those in overnight, and then I take them down. And because I wake up with a little bit of frizz, of course, I'm going to apply a little bit of oil to my hair. This is the Grow Crazy Hair Elixir, and this is a wonderful product for hair growth. I am not heavy-handed with this at all. A little bit goes a long way. And I will also add that this is a natural product, so you're not going to find any harsh chemicals. So it is very nourishing and healthy for your scalp, and I will link it in the caption below. Additionally, I like to take just a little bit of the product and go down the hair shaft. Again, like I said, I do have a little bit of damage on the ends of my hair, so the more nourishment, the better. And I know I don't have to tell y'all, but here I'm going to show you that the shrinkage is real. I am a waist length natural, and so that's not necessarily evident from the shrinkage with these braids, but hey, that's just par for the course. Now, I don't always take my braid out down on day one. Often I will wear it in a ponytail, a bun, up in a claw clip, which I'll kind of just show you some versatility here in a second. I will throw on a headband or a beanie just to preserve the style because once the braids come down, the hair is going to be fluffy. And especially living in the South where the summers are hot and humid, it's going to blow up as soon as I take the braids down. So I will sometimes let them set throughout the week and then take it down for a bomb braid out on the weekend. Today, in this particular video that I'm recording, I am actually getting ready to head out of town for a concert. So I will be taking these down tonight, and you will see that process at the end of this video. But before I get ready to get on the road, I'm just going to go ahead and lay my edges, tie those down while I'm in the car, and then I will be back to show y'all the reveal as well as how my braid out lasted throughout the evening and what it looks like at the end of the night. Remember, you can always speed this video up and watch it at a different speed. I'm going to put a little music if you want to dance along for the rest of this process, and then I will be back on here when it's time to take them down before I go to the concert. So stick with me. Okay, so I'm back. I made it to my destination and we are getting ready for the concert. So I'm going to go ahead and take my braids down, and I'm just carefully unbraiding them so I don't rake my fingers through them. I don't use a comb or anything like that because I don't want it to immediately frizz up. And so I just take my time and go through and take down each braid. And in my previous video of me installing these braids, I showed you how I only used one product to do this braid out on blow dried hair. And y'all look at the results. Like, look at this definition. And I want you to comment down below right now with how you think my hair is going to turn out at the end of the night. I have been natural for almost 20 years now, and a braid out is still probably one of my favorite natural hairstyles. And y'all, back in the day, I used to do some bomb braid outs with grease and water. And I know back in the natural hair days, it was very taboo to use grease, but it worked for me. Look at her. She is moisturized. She is shiny. She is bouncy. She is about to get real fluffy, y'all. I just don't want y'all to sleep on the power of the braid out. This is a timeless classic. Let me show y'all the back. Okay, we are in the car. We are in Austin, Texas. It is concert day. We're going to go grab a quick bite to eat. And I want y'all to see when we sit on this patio in the humidity of Texas and with the misters, the fluff. The shrinkage was real and now the swelling is real. So we went back home to get ready for the concert and it was just so big. I couldn't hardly see. So I went ahead and put two braids, one on each side in the front. And then we ended up having to park several blocks over. So we caught a pedicab to the concert. So my hair is blowing in the wind here, y'all. So it's pretty much done for. We get to the concert, and that's when I'm feeling in my head and I realize, y'all, I missed an entire braid. Go back and rewatch that takedown process and tell me if you saw that braid anywhere because I did not.